In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to view recent activity on your Windows PC. Let's jump right in. The first method is through File Explorer. Press Windows plus E on your keyboard to quickly open File Explorer. Once it opens, look on the left side and click on Quick Access. Inside this section, Windows automatically shows recently opened files and frequently used folders. If you don't immediately see recent files, scroll a little and check the Recent section carefully. Now, let's look at the second method using Windows Settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Activity History. Then open it. Here, Windows can display information related to recently used apps, opened files, and other activity connected to your device. Depending on your settings, you may also see timeline-related activity or synced usage, and now the third method, using Task Manager. Right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, you can stay in the Processes tab to see apps currently running on your system. You can also switch to the App History tab. This section shows apps that were recently used along with usage details like CPU time or network activity. It's especially helpful if you want to check which apps have been active recently in the background. And those are some of the easiest ways to check recent activity on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching.